see if the head gasket was blown or the valve is bent. As you can see right here, the valves aren't bent. The seals are still good around. And the valves look fine, so yeah. I'm gonna leave this off, and I'm gonna crank it over it so you guys can see it. Just gonna set this on here. You can see. And I'll watch the video over again to make sure I didn't see anything wrong. So, I mean, it has spark and everything, so I could not figure out what was wrong with it. And I don't know if the head gasket doesn't look blown anywhere on this, so I don't know. It has spark, it's getting fuel, and it just won't start. So the valve, I checked the valve clearance, that was fine. I checked everything else. The valve push rods don't look bent at all. They don't look bent at all. I'll check over again, just like I said, and make sure they weren't not bent at all. And I'm gonna, yeah, neither of them look bent. So I don't know what is wrong with this. I'm just gonna put some stuff in there and wait till another day to work on it, but I have no clue what's wrong with this thing. Because the piston doesn't look bad at all. So, I mean, that's just crud from like, it could have sucked in before when it wasn't with me. Or it could have been just like the fuel, old fuel in there and stuff. So, I don't know. I'm going to end the video here. See you later, guys.